This video will show you how to install the VESA mount for the 27B1H monitor from AOC. This is the stock stand that we'll be replacing. To start, lay your monitor down onto a soft surface. Following the instructions in the manual, remove the stock base. You'll find 3 screws at the base of the stock stand. One here, and one here. Remove all 3 of these screws. With these 3 screws removed, the cast metal piece at the bottom of the stock stand should come out easily. Deep inside the stock stand, there are 2 Phillips head screws that we'll need to remove. Use a long screwdriver to remove these 2 screws. A 3rd screw at the base of the stock arm must also be removed. Be careful that it doesn't fall down inside your monitor. With these screws removed, you can simply pull the stock arm out. This is the VESA mounting plate that we'll be installing. Line up the holes in the adapter plate with the holes in the steel plate coming out of the monitor. Reinsert the screws that we removed from the stock stand. Install all 3 screws loosely at first, then tighten them all up when you're done. And that's it! Your monitor is ready to be mounted on a VESA-compatible stand. Thanks for watching.